Hello everyone, welcome back to the family of Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. I hope that you all are fine and well at your home. So today I would like to teach you a very important topic which is belonging from our science book. The name of chapter number 3, skeletal system. Before going toward the skeletal system of human being, I would like to share some things about skeletal system. हमारा मानवीय शरीर हड्डियों से बना है. Different kinds of bones have different kinds of shapes and sizes. मानवीय शरीर में पाई जाने वाली हड्डियां उनके आकार और साइज वो अलग अलग के पाए जाते हैं. So today we will learn skeletal system of human. मानवीय शरीर का skeletal system आज हम देखेंगे.
The framework of bones that gives shape, support and strength to our body is called the skeletal system. An adult human skeleton has 206 bones of different shapes and sizes. For example, the leg and arm bones are long while the chest bones are thin and rounded. At birth, a child has more bones, but with growth some of them join together. From outside, bones are hard and tough, but inside these are soft and spongy. The bones contain a jelly-like material known as bone marrow. Bone marrow helps in the formation of red blood cells, that is called red blood corpuscles.
In this chapter, today we will learn different kinds of parts of human skeletal system. First of all, introduce all kinds of names of skeletal system. Number 1, skull. This portion is known as a skull. Observe this figure of skull carefully. Next, collarbones. Next, this portion shows that the shoulder bone. Next, chest bone. Next, humerus यानी arm bones. Next, ribs. The bunch of chest bones are called ribs. Next, hip bones. Next, fingers. We can pick up, pull up various kinds of items using fingers. We can write, we can pull some things using our fingers. Next, thigh bones, etc. So these are names of human skeletal system. First important part, the definition of human skeletal system, the framework of bones. Once again, understand carefully, the framework of bones that give shape यानी आकार, support यानी आधार and strength यानी क्षमता to our body. हमारे शरीर को shapes यानी आकार देते हैं, support यानी आधार देते हैं और strength हमारे शरीर की क्षमता कौन बढ़ाते हैं? Bones. Strength to our body is called the skeletal system. Once again, I will read whole sentence. The framework of bones that give shape, support and strength to our body is called skeletal system. Next, point number 1. In an adult human, एक सामान्य व्यक्ति में, in an adult human skeleton has 206 bones. एक सामान्य व्यक्ति के शरीर में 206 हड्डियां पाई जाती है. Next, point number 2. Different kind of bones has different kind of shapes and size. अलग अलग तरीकों के हड्डियों को अलग अलग तरीके के shapes यानी आकार होते हैं. For example, leg as well as arm bone. These two bones shows that these two bones have a long in length as compared to the arm bones. Compare the bones of chest, that means ribs or chest bones are thin and rounded in structure. Next point number 3, bones are hard and बोन्स हार्ड भी होते हैं और टफ भी होते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इनर पार्ट ऑफ बोन्स, हड्डियों के अंदर पाए जाने वाले पार्ट्स आर सॉफ्ट एंड स्पॉन्जी, वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं। हड्डियों के अंदर पाए जाने वाला बोन मैरो, उसे हम अगले पॉइंट में कवर करेंगे, वो सॉफ्ट और स्पॉन्जी होता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, पॉइंट नंबर 5, the bones contain a jelly like material, bones के अंदर jelly like material पाया जाता है। it is known as a bone marrow, bones के अंदर यानी हड्डियों के अंदर स्पॉन्जी और jelly like material पाया जाता है, उसे हम bone marrow कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, bone marrow helps in the information of RBCs, then what is RBCs? RBCs क्या है? RBCs यानी रेड ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स, RBCs रेड ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स, इसी की वजह से हमारे खून का रंग लाल होता है। ड्यू टू द RBCs present in our blood, the color of our blood is red.
Parts of the skeletal system. The main part of human skeleton are skull, backbone or spine, rib cage and two pairs of limbs. Skull. The skull of an adult human being has 22 bones. It contains holes for eyes, ears, nose and mouth. The upper portion of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones which protect our brain. The face and jaw contains 14 bones. All bones in the skull are fixed except the bones in the lower jaw that can move. It enables us to eat and speak.
Next point, parts of the human skeletal system. Human skeletal system के कुछ घटक है, parts है. So today we will also learn parts of the skeletal system. Point number 1, skull, backbone. Backbone यानी observe this figure carefully. This bone and the back-sided portion of this bone is called as spine or backbone. Rib cage and 2 pairs of limbs are made part of HSS, human skeletal system. Second point, limbs are attached to pairs of girdles and shoulders. Limbs are attached to pairs of girdles or shoulder girdle and hip girdle. Next, skull. Observe this figure carefully. Skull contains various kinds of parts. Also remind the names of parts of a skull. The skull of an adult human being has 22 bones. The number of bones present inside the skull, it is 22. Next point, it contains holes for eye, ear, nose and mouth. Once again observe this figure. It contains hole for eye, hole for ears as well as teeth. Next point, third, the upper portion of the skull. Skull के ऊपरी हिस्सा, skull का ऊपरी हिस्सा, the upper portion of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones. The upper portion of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones which protects our brain. हमारी स्कल का ऊपरी हिस्सा, उसमें कितने बोन्स पाए जाते हैं? 8 फ्लैट बोन्स पाए जाते हैं. And the function of these 8 flat bones are to protect our brain. हमारे ब्रेन, दिमाग का संरक्षण करने का काम ये 8 फ्लैट बोन्स करते हैं. Next, fourth point, the face and jaw. The face and jaw. The face and jaw contains 14 facial bones. Face and jaw contains 14 अलग-अलग प्रकार के बोन्स हमारे फेशियल पार्ट्स में पाए जाते हैं. तो फर्स्ट थिंग, how many bones are present in a skull? 22 bones are present in our skull. एक सामान्य आदमी की खोपड़ी के अंदर 22 हड्डियां पाई जाती है. And how many flat bones are present in upper portion of skull? There is a 8 flat bones are present upper portion of the skull.
Backbone or spine. The skull is attached to the backbone, which forms the main axis of skeleton. Our backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. The vertebra join together one above the other to form a strong column called the spine or vertebral column. It is flexible and protects the delicate spinal cord. The joints of vertebra allow slight movements. Due to this, we can move our backbone forward and backward. Each vertebra has a hole through which delicate spinal cord passes. Draw this picture of backbone in your notebook and observe carefully.
Next point, backbone or spine. Observe this picture carefully. Our skull is present inside of this facial structure and our backbone or vertebra is attached to the skull. So point number 1, the skull is attached to the backbone. Next point, it is main axis of skeleton. Backbone is the main axis of a human skeleton system. Third point, backbone is made up of how many bones? There are 33 small bones are called vertebra. That means backbone is made up of 33 small bones. These are the 33 small bones are called vertebra. Next point, the vertebra join together. One vertebra, then place another vertebra, then another one vertebra. The vertebra join together, one above the another to form a strong column. Form a strong column is called spine or vertebral column. Next, it is flexible. It is flexible in structure. That means due to this reason we can move our spinal cord backward as well as फॉरवर्ड. हम उसी के इस्तेमाल से वर्टिब्रा का यूज करके ही हम आगे और पीछे झुक सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स द डेलिकेट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ये डेलिकेट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का संरक्षण करने का भी काम करता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द जॉइंट ऑफ वर्टिब्रा allows slight movement. Next, due to this reason, move backbone forward and backward. Due to the presence of vertebral column, we can move our backbone forward direction as well as backward direction. Okay.